Good afternoon, everybody. It's NJT Amtrak Guy. Today is October 27th, 2013. Just happened to be in the city again. I'm in the area, so I thought I'd stop by 432 Park Avenue for a quick look. Looks like there's a new crane going up. You see that red crane right there? Sorry, just let me hold this steadier. Yeah, there's a new crane up there. I believe that's going to help out with the floor laying out and the core. So yeah, that looks like a new crane was added. That's going to help with the floor laying and the core. Also helping with steel work and concrete work as the building continues to rise. There's 157. Alright, this is 58th Street. I don't think I'm seeing too much of a height change, but the new crane was installed on the top. That is the third crane. Maybe now that that crane is there, work will speed up significantly. It seems like the building is rising at a significant rate, but it may have slowed down temporarily to install that crane. I'm on 58th Street now, and I couldn't see this building from here before. That's good progress. It's going to join the skyline. Alright, this is 59th Street. I'm a whole nother block away and I'm starting to see the building from here. You can see the new crane and the core as work continues to be done on the current floor of the building. Now again, I could not see this building from here, but it seems to be rising at a very significant rate. It's going to continue to go much higher. Again, you can see the new crane, the core, and more of the outer concrete work being done. So yeah, good progress. Alright everybody, I am now on Roosevelt Island. This is the East River you're looking at. So I came over here to see if I can see anything of 432 Park Avenue yet. And right now I can see the 3 cranes that are building it. I can't see the actual building yet, but those are the cranes. So right here is where 432 Park Avenue will begin to rise up. I can actually see the core from here too. Hold on. Yep, that's it. That is 432 Park Avenue. So this is the space it's going to fill when it rises up. There's 1 and 4 World Trade Center. Tower 3 will join Tower 4. And 2 will be behind 1. So again, this is Roosevelt Island. Alright everybody, so again, yeah, right here is where 432 Park Avenue will rise up and join the skyline. Right there where those 3 cranes are. You can actually see the core of 432 Park Avenue. So right here is where it will rise. In about a month or 2, we will see the actual building. Alright, this is 3rd Avenue and 57th Street. So this will be another nice angle to watch this tower rise and join the skyline. Very nice progress. See that 3rd crane that was added? That will help with the concrete pouring, the core, and floor laying. Alright everybody, that's all the time I have for today. So this is going to be the end of this quick look. Be sure to rate, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this tower and its progress. If you have any questions to ask, be sure to ask. I will get back to you. Most importantly, I hope you've enjoyed this quick look. I'm NJT Amtrak Guy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice evening.